She's a lurcher, I'm so sorry. Bella's a lurcher. It's the judges, they told me she was a greyhound. What do they know? So has Bella had her photograph taken for the reunion collage today? Excellent, right.
Really?
Are you going to pull out your 6th place first, please? Let's do it in reverse order. 6th place. 6th place. You get a pink rosette, which is very appropriate for the prettiest bitch. Not so good for most handsome male, but there we go.
Oh my god, Mike, this was so...
How are they ever going to agree? But just building up the momentum here. Here we go. Okay, so in 6th place we have the 2 sisters. 2 becomes 1. You have to share the pink rosette, girls. You can take it in turns to wear it. Well done. Okay, 5th place.
You